Hello everyone, this is Wasim from digitalwasim.com and welcome to my Glynn Kosky's AI money printer review presentation video. So today in this video we are going to discuss, is this product a scam or legitimate? How does this system work? Is it a right decision to do investment for this system? Are there better alternatives out there? Why should you watch this video till the end? By the end of this video, you will have all the essential information you need to make a confident and informed decision. Also, I have got a free bonus for you, so don't miss it. Who am I and why should you trust me? My name is Wasim Akram and I have been making money online for over 7 years now. Before that, I worked a demanding 9 to 5 job as a quality executive in the automobile industry. Although the job seemed stable, it left me feeling stuck and unfulfilled. After 5 years of grinding, I decided to take a leap of faith and quit. I began exploring various ways to make money online, from blogging to affiliate marketing. Most of the business models didn't work for me. Some were successes while others taught me valuable lessons. I managed to earn enough money that allowed me to support my family and live life on my terms. I used only a laptop and an internet connection for my work. That's it. These are some screenshots of earnings I have made online. After 7 years of journey, now I have decided to start digitalwasim.com, where I share my knowledge and experiences to help others start their own online journeys. If you enjoy learning about making money online, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest product reviews and tips. Here is the disclaimer. I am an affiliate for the AI Money Printer program. If you decide to purchase through the link I have provided, I may earn a commission. You will not have to pay any extra money for that. My goal is to give you an honest and unbiased review to help you make the right decision. So what exactly is AI Money Printer? It is the world's first AI powered system that pays you $69 every time you upload a video to platforms like Instagram. Yes, you heard that right. And the best part, you don't need to create your own videos, edit or even show your face. Everything is done for you and it's 100% legal and ethical. This system taps into a $385 billion Instagram loophole, allowing you to earn passive income by simply uploading pre-made viral videos. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced marketer, AI Money Printer is designed to work for everyone. Who created AI Money Printer? Now, let's talk about the creator behind this amazing product, Glynn Kosky. Glynn is an award-winning online marketer with over a decade of experience. He has helped thousands of people worldwide achieve financial freedom through his innovative systems. Glynn's journey from struggling to make ends meet to building a multi-million-dollar empire is truly inspiring. With AI Money Printer, Glynn has once again delivered a product that simplifies online income generation for everyone. Let's now discuss, how does AI Money Printer work? The process is that simple. Here is how it works in just 3 steps. Step 1. Login. Access the AI Money Printer dashboard on any device, your computer, phone or tablet. Step 2. Upload. Select a pre-made viral video from the system and hit the upload button on Instagram. Step 3. Profit. Get paid $69 every time you upload a video. The more you upload, the more you earn. For example, upload 5 videos, you will earn $245. Upload 10 videos, you will earn $590. Upload 25 videos and you will earn $1,225. The system is fully automated, so you don't need any technical skills or experience. It is perfect for anyone looking to make money online without the hassle. So how much does it cost? Let's now take overview of AI Money Printer OTOs one-time offers. The front end high-end offer for AI money printer is available for one-time payment of just $17. This is still for a system that can generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars in passive income. First up, we have the unlimited edition for just $47. You can upload unlimited videos and skyrocket your earnings. No more restrictions, just upload as many videos as you want and watch the payments roll in. If you are serious about scaling your income, this OTO is no-brainer. Next, we have the 100% done for you edition. For $67, you will get access to a library of pre-made viral videos. No more searching for content or spending hours editing. Everything is ready to upload. Just pick a video, hit upload and get paid. It's perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort while still making money. Now let's talk about the unlimited traffic edition. For $67, you will unlock unlimited buyer traffic to your videos. This means more views, more engagement and more earnings. No need to worry about driving traffic or running ads. This OTO does the heavy lifting for you. Next up is the automation edition. For just $47, you can automate the entire process. That's right, set it up once and the system will run on autopilot. From video selection to uploading, everything is handled for you. If you are looking for hands-off way to make money online, this OTO is a must-have. Now, this one is a steal, the ATM edition. For only $37, you will unlock advanced strategies and techniques to maximize your earnings. This OTO focuses on high-converting niches, premium traffic, and advanced monetization methods. If you are ready to take your income to the next level, this is the upgrade for you. Last but definitely not least, we have the license rights edition for $97. You will get resale rights to the AI money printer system. That means you can sell this product to others and keep 100% of the profits. It's perfect for entrepreneurs who want to build their own online business. This OTO is packed with value and opportunity. There is always a doubt in everyone's mind, is it a scam? Based on my research and personal experience, this system is a legitimate platform. It has a strong user base and offers genuine opportunities for earning through marketing. However, it is important to note that some products don't have refund policies, so always check the terms before making a purchase. Let's now discuss the positives and drawbacks of this system. AI money printer is a game changer for anyone looking to make money online. One of its biggest advantages is its ease of use. The system is designed to be beginner friendly, so even if you have no prior experience, you can start earning right away. The process is straightforward: login, upload and profit. Another major pro is that it requires zero traffic. Unlike other online money making methods that rely on driving traffic or running ads, AI money printer eliminates this hurdle entirely. You don't need to worry about SEO, social media algorithms or paid advertising. The system is also 100% done for you, meaning you don't have to create or edit videos, show your face or record your voice. Everything is pre-made and ready to upload, making it incredibly convenient. Additionally, AI money printer is affordable with a one-time payment of just $17 during the launch period. There are no monthly fees or hidden cost, so every dollar you earn is pure profit. Finally, the 180-day money-back guarantee ensures that your investment is risk-free. If you are not satisfied, you can get a full refund plus an extra $300 as a gesture of goodwill. While AI money printer has many benefits, there are a few potential downsides to consider. First, the price may increase after the launch period, so if you are interested, it's best to act quickly. Another con is that while the system is easy to use, it does require consistent effort to maximize your earnings. The more videos you upload, the more you will earn. So if you are looking for a completely hands-off approach, you may need to invest in the automation edition OTO. Lastly, while the system is beginner friendly, some users might find the OTO upsells overwhelming or expensive. However, these upgrades are optional and designed to enhance your experience, so you can choose the ones that best suit your needs. Here are my final thoughts. If you are serious about starting an affiliate marketing journey, This system is a great option. It is particularly helpful for beginners who need step-by-step guidance. While it has its drawbacks, the potential rewards make it a worthwhile investment. To get started, check the link in the pinned comment below to sign up for this program today. When you join through my link, you will gain access to my Affiliate Profit Express coaching program, and its value is $1,097. I have named my bonus Affiliate Profit Express coaching. It's a special program where I will give you 30 days of personal coaching with me. Here is what you will get as free bonuses. As part of my bonus, you will receive support through Facebook DMs. Through the Facebook Messenger, I will guide you through your first steps in affiliate marketing, addressing any initial questions or concerns to set you on the right path. You will also gain access to priority messaging support, where I promise to respond to your queries within 24 hours. This ensures you have quick solutions and continuous support throughout your journey. So how can you claim your bonus? Step 1. Sign up through the link in the pinned comment. Step 2. Email me a screenshot of your receipt at the address provided. Step 3. I will reach out to set up your consultation and grant access to your bonuses. Here is an important reminder. Before clicking on my affiliate link, ensure you clear your browser cookies. This ensures your purchase is properly tracked and qualifies for the bonuses. If you are unsure how to do this, check the instructions in the pinned comment. What if you don't like this money making system? Are there any alternatives? Yes, of course, you can go for high ticket affiliate marketing, where you can sell products for 1,000 or higher. So what are the benefits of high ticket affiliate marketing? Number 1. Higher commissions per sale. You earn higher commissions with fewer clicks, making it easier to reach your income goals. Second, quality over quantity. You only need to focus on premium products, reducing the need for multiple transactions and delivering value for fewer leads. Third, increased credibility. You promote high-value brands, enhancing your reputation and building trust with your audience. Fourth, better return on investment. A single sale can cover marketing cost, making your efforts more rewarding. Fifth, sustainable business model. Higher profit margins enable reinvestment into tools and strategies for long-term growth. Sixth, potential for recurring income. Subscription models and recurring commissions ensure steady, ongoing earnings. Let me tell you the additional advantages of affiliate marketing. Number 1. Flexibility in working hours. Affiliate marketing lets you work part-time or full-time based on your convenience and goals. Second, freedom to work from anywhere. You can run your business from anywhere with just a laptop and an internet connection. Third, low startup cost. Starting affiliate marketing requires minimal investment, making it accessible for beginners. Fourth, opportunity to travel while earning. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money while exploring and traveling the world. Fifth, passive income potential. Once established, your affiliate systems can generate income even when you are not actively working. Sixth, scalability without limits. There is no ceiling to your earnings, allowing you to grow your business exponentially. Seventh, personal and professional growth. You will gain valuable skills like digital marketing and audience engagement that boost your career and business. You can achieve your dreams with affiliate marketing. Be your own boss. Affiliate marketing empowers you to take control of your career and work on your terms. Break free from 9 to 5 grind. Escape the monotony of traditional jobs and embrace a flexible lifestyle. Earn passive income. Build systems that generate income even when you are not actively working. Unlock financial freedom. Achieve your financial goals and live life without monetary constraints through affiliate marketing. Work from anywhere. With affiliate marketing, you can run your business from any location, whether it is at home, in a cafe, or while traveling the world. Unlimited earning potential. Your income is not capped, allowing you to scale your business and earn as much as you desire based on your effort and strategy. How can you start this? You can start just by using my free gift. You can access my free course through the link pinned in the comments below. I will teach you everything you need to know to get started. Like and subscribe if you want more future content. Free gift is in the pinned comment below.